Yeah, so please just tell me what happened and how like it started.
So pretty much what happened is that on my phone I tried to plug it in and it wouldn't charge. I tried reusing different cords, different plugs, different cables. It didn't matter, even the blocks, it still wouldn't work. So after that, I figured out I needed to do something about it. I tried to go to Apple, but they didn't even have the parts in. I Googled iPhone repair, and this place popped up.
Okay, gotcha. Don't worry, Maka. It's okay. Thank you.
Probably go viral soon. Oh, garbage.
Alright, last one. Thank you. So, let me double check here. Charging, just in case there's a site.
Oh yeah, let's
There you go.
Dubs, perfect.
Thank you very much. You can
It's amazing.
this one here.
Let's check this out.
Yeah.
Charges.
Charging?
Let's go. Let's
Try that another side,
just in case.
yeah.
Other side works too. It's perfect.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you.